Lush Wellness had already become the top-selling waxing kit brand on Amazon, but customers needed help using it well. Their existing app was built on Bubble.io and couldn't scale. The team lacked a way to manage tutorials, blogs, and user content, and needed to know how to fix that without slowing the business down. So Lush Wellness decided to rebuild the app and modernize how their team managed it. They partnered with GeekyAnts to build WaxBuddy, migrating to React Native with Expo. A Nest.js API connects to PostgreSQL, Shopify pulls product data into the app, and DigitalOcean powers the infrastructure. The team also built a React-based admin panel for managing content and users. Today, WaxBuddy backs over 34,000 verified 5-star Amazon reviews, 400,000 social subscribers, and strong downloads at launch. Lush Wellness knew what its customers needed. GeekyAnts made it real. Visit GeekyAnts.com and book a strategy session with our team.